Act 3, Scene 2 of Hamlet opens with Hamlet giving acting advice to the first player, emphasizing the importance of realistic portrayal over exaggerated performance. After the players leave to prepare, Polonius arrives with Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, confirming that King Claudius and Queen Gertrude will attend the play. Hamlet instructs them to ensure the actors are ready. When Horatio arrives, Hamlet praises his friend's virtues and enlists his help to observe Claudius during the play for signs of guilt regarding King Hamlet's murder. As the court assembles for the performance, Claudius questions Hamlet's mood, and Hamlet engages Polonius in a conversation about Polonius's past acting experience. Hamlet chooses to sit by Ophelia instead of his mother and engages in sexually suggestive banter with her. The play begins with a pantomime that closely resembles the murder of Hamlet's father. A king is poisoned in his sleep by another man, who then woos the grieving queen. The court watching is unaware of the pantomime's significance, but it sets a foreboding tone. The actual play, aptly named The Mousetrap by Hamlet, portrays a queen promising she will never remarry if her husband dies, only to be tempted when precisely that happens. During this, Hamlet makes pointed remarks to Gertrude about fidelity in remarrying, while Gertrude responds that the player queen doth protest too much, unaware of the parallel to her own situation. As the play shows the murder of the king in the same manner as King Hamlet's supposed assassination, Claudius reacts visibly upset and hastily leaves the scene, proving to Hamlet and Horatio his guilt. The play is stopped at Claudius's behest, leaving Hamlet and Horatio to discuss the king's guilt. Following this, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern confront Hamlet, reporting that Claudius is furious and Gertrude wants to see Hamlet. Hamlet, however, refuses to be manipulated by them, likening their attempts to playing a flute, which neither can do. Finally, Polonius repeats Gertrude's request for Hamlet to see her. Hamlet agrees, but resolves not to harm her physically, only to speak harshly. This scene ends with Hamlet contemplating the upcoming confrontation with his mother, setting the stage for further drama in the narrative. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.